Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the eyebrow craft with me, Lizzie. And yeah, my name is Lizzie. Actually, I cannot speak in English, but now I try to speak in English cause I wanna follow Denitslava Makeup tutorial, especially her eyebrow tutorial. And yeah, just keep on watching my video for the process of me learning to follow her eyebrow tutorial. And yeah, actually I cannot speak in English, so I'm so sorry if you cannot understand what I say, but I'm trying my best. And for your information, I'm not expert of makeup. I just a girl who start to learn how to do makeup, and I put anything on my face, so I'm sorry if the result is not good. And yeah, thank you for watching, so bye bye.
So first I'm going to brush my eyebrows. You can do that with spoolie or with an old mascara wand. Just make sure that you wash it good before that. And I'm just brushing the hairs up, so they sit in the right place.
First of all, she brush the eyebrow with a maybe mascara wand or a spoolie. Now I got a spoolie. This is from Beauty Bliss. I think she brush it up like this maybe. Okay, what is next?
So today I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in shade medium brown, and I'm taking a small amount of it on a very thin angled brush. This one is by Essence and it doesn't have any number or name, it just says eyeliner. It's looking like that. I'm going to focus for you so you can see how thin it is.
And then this is Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade, but now I don't have that thing, but I have mixed eyebrow powder, mixed eyebrow cake powder, and I think this is the pomade and this is the powder. So first of all, maybe I will use this one. Oh, and she use, what is this, angle brush, very thin. Mine is not so thin, but this one, mine is not so thin, but I think it's gonna work it. And this is the brush from this set. I use it with the original brush from that set, maybe like this. And then I'll brush it with the spoolie from that set. I watched the video again.
And as I said, I'm taking just a very small amount of the product and I'm going to outline the outer half of my eyebrow. So I'm starting somewhere here and not at the beginning of the brow. You want to use a very thin brush for that so you can get that nice sharp line.
And then she want to take a little bit of the product with a very thin brush. I will take a little bit product. I use this color. and then I think she started from here. I watch him.
I'm also slightly extending the tail here. And I'm also outlining the top of my eyebrow. And again, I'm starting somewhere from the half. I'm not starting from here. Now that I have outlined the shape, I'm going to fill in the gaps, and you can see that my eyebrow is a little bit fuller here than here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus most of the product on the areas that there are less hairs, so it will look more even. Now with whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to fill in the front area of the eyebrow. You want to be very careful with this step, as you want to apply a very small amount of the product there so that the eyebrow will look more natural. And I'm bringing it slightly higher here. I'm brushing the hairs in place again, so I can see if there are any gaps that I need to fill in. And if I see that there are any, I'm just filling them in. Now on the flat brush, I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to carve out the brows. This is the Sigma E56 and I prefer using liquid concealers for that. It's just easier for me to work with them. Sometimes I'm even using a foundation for that. It does the job. So I'm just taking a very small amount of the concealer and I'm going to sharpen up the edge of the brow.
Okay, and then she used the concealer, and yeah, here is it. I have a newbie concealer. This is the stick concealer, and this is the liquid concealer. And she prefer use the liquid concealer. I think I'm gonna use this one, but it is not so pigmented. But yeah, nobody knows. Next was just a little bit more thick and kind of go inside. I'll try to make it down, and here we go. Hope it's gonna help.
Now with whatever concealer is left of the brush, I'm going to brush through the front area of the eyebrow. This is going to take out some of the deep brow and it's going to make it look softer. I want to create that gradient effect.
Then she used the concealer brush with the concealer left in the brush to take some eyebrow pomade from this what is that, from here, and to make it softer.
The The last thing that I'm going to do is apply an eyebrow gel. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel.
And then the last thing to do is to put the eyebrow gel, but yeah, I don't have that thing, so this is my final look. I do with the left, right, from your right, from your left, yeah, from this eyebrow. So, and I'll be back. And yeah, this is the final look. Thank you for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye bye.